All right, today I want to go over the amplified 10-inch shallow sub box from Soundstage, the Soundstage SSPRO10A. What makes this one unique, guys, is it's an all-in-one solution. Typically you'll have a sub like an amplifier like this. You have a separate sub box, everything. This is an all-in-one. What I mean by that is, look, I have a subwoofer here, down firing, which means it's protected. What's nice about that is that I can throw a toolbox on, I can throw a school bag, I can throw anything I want. The other side is we go here, we have a 300 watt RMS amplifier and OEM connections. Now, like all the Soundstage products, what they have is they have a bass knob, which allows me to turn the subwoofer up or down. In case you don't have that feature on your Honda or Kia radio, for example, you can now turn the bass up and down remotely. Now, what this little harness does here, this one makes it talk Honda, Kia, GMC, Ford, etc. So this can talk directly to your OEM head unit. You don't have to have an Alpine, a Sony, a Pioneer, or anything like that to make it work. Hey, I suggest you make sure you pick this up in store because to ship this thing is very heavy. If you have any questions, comments, check down below. You'll find my email address and my phone number. If you need to get a hold of me, check the information there. And if you leave a comment, I'll answer it as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.